Go get. He gets his tail again, like he did a minute ago. Baba. Baba, Baba. Wow, 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 wow. Woo, 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 woo. Are you gonna talk? Gonna talk? Get him, Samson. Get there, Levi. Get him. He's all wet from him. Get him, Sammy. Get him. He's got his
tail.
I hope you got that one.
Yeah, I got that one.
Hello, Dan?
Go lay down.
He doesn't like the camera.
Yeah, you have to pretend like you're not watching them, then they'll play.
When will we know if it works?
Well, nobody's really saying for sure. Not till he starts rehab anyway. I should have a pretty good idea by then.
Oh, that's sad. These two soldiers here had surprised their brothers at a game, and a little after that they were killed, both of them.
Oh.
It was 3 brothers.
Listen, I haven't eaten all day and I was going to grab some fight. You're welcome to join me.
Sure. Fella's gotta eat, I reckon. You always been a city girl?
Always in the city, girl.
If it fits it. Look, the cat's sitting in a box of eggs.
Population 4,837. Well, at least that's what it was when I left.
Well, how the heck do you end up all the way out here?
Let's just say a straight line.
There's some truth to that. Especially if you see me plow.
There's one.
You mind if I ask you a question?
You're my guest.
How'd you get that nickname?
What nickname?
Brian. I mean, I know it's got to be short for something, but darn if I can figure out what. The only Brownie I know has to do with making pickles. Or with a lot of them, I can't figure out how somebody as pretty as you could get herself nicknamed after something like that.
It's Brian. Brian is a town that goes to Scotland. It's where my father's from.
It's nice. I like it. Brownie.
I'm sorry. I have to go.
I'll take care of that for you.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure. It's the least I can do.
Night.
Night.
Look at this. Pitbull with glasses on.
Oh yeah, I think I've seen that picture.
Well, there's still plenty of room here. Anything else? Oh, yeah, there's a whole bunch of get well cards inside.